Children, hello again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some more important and very interesting ways in which you can improve your language skills through games, but also through tests. So here we have this link. You will see it, okay? ESLEschool.com. Okay. When you visit the site, you have this screen. Now, this immediately takes you to A1 Movers, which is your stage, at least for most of you. Well, below, you can see that we have a number of tests, actually parts of a test, with part 1 reading, part 2 reading, part 3 and part 4, as well as writing parts 5 and 6. Okay, so this is stuff that you can use if you want to practice. Some of them might also be used by us to do them together. There is also a listening part, as you can see here. All right, and there is also a speaking section. Here we have a list of the levels that are being served here. So this is the important thing here, because it has a number of games that you can use in order to practice the language. As you can see, we have a number of topics here: animals, crossword, body and face, clothes, lots of things. All right, and the choices that you have range from crosswords, flashcards that you can study the vocabulary, memory games, and word searches and word puzzles. So by navigating this, you can find interesting things, I believe. I'm going to try one of them. For example, let me see. Let's talk about family, for example. Okay, so by clicking on family, it opens and it takes me somewhere here. So these are the activities. Look for the words in the word search. All right, so here we have to look for words that are hidden in here. Well, as you can see, the words have been given to us. All right, what we need to do is try and find them here by searching either across or down or diagonally. Okay, this way also. Well, in order to do this, we have here also some hints and some instructions how to play. Search for the words hidden within the grid. This is the grid. To submit a word, click the first letter of it and then the last letter. I will show you exactly how to do that. Here we have the hint that words can be written in any direction, including backwards and along diagonals. And I'm going to show you now practically how to do that. Let's suppose that I want to find one of the words. I will click on the word that I want to find. So this is the word children. If I spot the word, then I click. I have already seen it. It's actually this word diagonally. So I will click on the first letter and the last letter. So as you can see, it appears here and also it is crossed out here. All right. Now, let's try some more. I'm going back I want to talk about clothes. So I'm going to clothes And I have this, which gives me a choice of ways to work on it or to play. So, for example, I might choose a crossword. Okay, and I have the crossword here. Number one, a pair of these can help some people to read a book if you can't see very well, for example. So I will go to one across. This is across and this is down. One across, and I will write the word glasses. Let me see if this is the one. GLASSES. Probably it's correct. And yes, it's correct. Okay. So this way you can try all the things that are given to you. Here, for example, this is a memory game. Okay. If you find the same words, they disappear, and your purpose is to make all these here disappear. Let me see, I'm not very good at it. Sweater, swimsuit, no. Sweater and sweater, they disappear. All right, and the aim is to make all of these disappear. All right, well, a word list here if you wish, so that you can have a clear idea of the vocabulary that is used. And there are also exercises that can help you practice. Okay, lots of things for you to improve and at the same time have fun. All right, I hope that you will enjoy all this. Try it. I suggest that you do it part of your everyday activities. Bye for now.